Bonnet not shut. Fuel level low.
Come on, Kangpoo. Come on, Kangpoo, you can do it. I'm just training oil. I was just undoing the bolts on the sump on the automatic 25 gearbox. They've got wax oil everywhere, haven't they? Good. It needs re-gasket, a new gasket anyway, because it's leaking.
Yeah.
Wow. Why didn't that come out? The drain bung, that's weird.
The drain bung's higher.
That's 30-year-old technology there. Is that the automatic filter?
It's dirty.
Just give it a right good clean out with brake cleaner. Spray all that with brake cleaner and then clean that filter out with brake cleaner. Very nice. Also, we've had a delivery this morning. We've got an air filter, an oil filter, fuel filter, the oil pressure switch that's leaking, and a set of spark plugs for the Renault 25. Renault. Screwing the filter back up.
You still wanting to go for your tea at Crazy Kingdom?
I love Crazy Kingdom. Da 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 da. Screw it, screw it, screw it. Go on. Put your back into it.
I'm too tight. Brake.
No, you don't be too tight with plastic. Just a little nip, yeah?
Little nipper, yeah.
Is that the magnet?
Yeah. Oh wow, yeah. Is that the bit that just fell out? Should that even just be randomly sat in there? Is that how they did it in the old days?
Could be. Or has it got a groove to go into?
Pretty
A
random.
recess. I think it'll just sit in the pan. There's not a lot of wear on it, is there? It's on it, so.
No. Apparently it works the same as like a motorbike clutch.
And how's that work?
Friction plate, metal plate, friction plate, metal plate.
There we go.
Apparently. Don't hold me to that though. Just going off what.
There's loads of wax up on that, isn't there?
There's a dog hair in there.
You don't have any dogs.
No, you got a bloody horse. You got a horse and a cow.
No. Yeah, but if it just has a little bit, it just gives it a bit of a tickle. The seal doesn't look that bad though, really. Pan's going back up now. Just a few 10mm bolts.
That's lined up.
Hopefully.
Well, that's your
Find out.
responsibility. Ready?
Yeah. There you go, look at that. And in all fairness, she's well overdue a change. There's an oil filter there, just on the side next to the
Nice blue.
pressure switch.
Hopefully this won't be too tight.
Have you cracked that off already?
Yeah. Thought you'd lined it up, mate.
It's alright, it's just dribbled a little bit.
That is dirty oil, that.
There you go, there's the new oil filter swapped out. So that's cleaned up pretty well. So, just get it screwed in. There. Sorted. There we are, ready to drop it in now. It's a bit minging down there, so I think what we're going to do is get that power washed out and cleaned out first. That's where all the bits of the radiator drop down. Get my finger out of the way. I think we'll get all that cleaned out first. Right, the radiator is in, that's done. New air filter, we took it out because I got it wet. And now it's time to change the plugs because I've just power washed all the engine, cleaned it up, but it looks proper now. Oh, we've got the oil temperatures, oil, is it pressure switch, Sam?
Yes.
Yes. Lovely. That's radiator in and out, bottom's all cleaned out now. That's all on, twin fans are on, lovely. They were ready for a change, just like everything else. NGKRs, I believe the same plugs are going back in.
No. It's BPR 6.
NGKR. So that chuck in there. I'm going to get on with that in a minute. It's ready to go. Diesel tap coming off next to change the rotor arm. Sam's just finishing off the plugs now. And that's all done. Once we've done that, we'll get the green coolant slapped in it and run it up to temperature and make sure there's no leaks and issues. Right, that's getting screwed back in now. So that should all work perfect. Right, on to the next job.
Vehicle functions under surveillance. Fuel level low. Check as soon as possible.
So I thought what we've got to do next, oil switch and then coolant. Yep. There you go, so pressure switch done. We've had a little wee.
Funny green colour that, isn't it?
Yeah, let's see if she'll start. Just the metal bar that's over the bonnet, where I've washed the bonnet, it got too heavy and it started sitting down. Cell up now. Don't need that. It's making a tapping noise, Sam. Yeah. So I think we've got it bled out now. So it's just getting up to temperature. Quite hard to bleed. There's no bleed screws on it that you can't see. There's looks everywhere. Have you got heaters, Sam?
Yes, I have.
You have? And they're nice and warm.
Well, getting there.
So it's ticking over really nicely, and while it's getting up to temperature, the heaters are coming through now. We're just going to get it up and make sure the fans work. The oil pressure's good, the switch works. Just give it a blip, mate. It's working well, everything's illuminated. We're just trying to work out how to get the radio cod. So I've got the book. I'm going to have a read up of that now and see if we can get the wireless working. So we think we've figured it out, and the next code number is 4. We have tunes!
Air door not shut. Front passenger door not shut. Driver's door not shut. Bonnet not shut.
There you go. Fantastic. So it's up to temperature. Fan spinning round. Should be able to see it through the grill. Beautiful. And that's them turning off. There you go. So that's it. So the next one is windscreen, which is going to happen this coming Monday. So we managed to find one. They're going to come put a new windscreen in. Then we've got the brakes to service. I think there's a leaky brake pipe somewhere. Go through all the brakes. We're going to stone chip underneath. Yeah, it's coming together now. So it'll be soon up for sale. It's a clean one. Cheers for watching. What are you barking at? Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers now. Bye.